Everyone, welcome to your biology class. This video is in continuity with the previous video of the chapter Health and Hygiene. And the main objectives we are covering in this video are disease carriers, mosquitoes and its control, houseflies and its control, cockroaches and its control, rats and its control. So first of all, we will be discussing disease carriers. So disease carriers are the organisms which spread pathogens from person to person, thereby causing outbreak of a disease in a whole community. Some of the common disease carriers are mosquitoes, houseflies, rats, cockroaches, etc. Talking about mosquitoes, so in India, three types of mosquitoes are very common. They are Anopheles, Culex and Aedes. Anopheles spreads malaria, whereas Culex spread filaria and Aedes spreads yellow fever. The pathogens of these diseases are spread through the saliva of these mosquitoes when they bite human beings for sucking blood. They breed in warm, humid weather, especially in rainy season when enough ponds and puddles are available with stagnant water. They can breed in small quantities of water, as in old cans, coolers, and vessels filled with rainwater. Now, Anopheles and Culex mosquito can be recognized by the sitting posture and wings. In Anopheles mosquito, their wings have dark spots and they sit obliquely while resting. Whereas in Culex mosquito, their wings are unspotted and they sit parallel while resting. Control of mosquitoes. Mosquitoes can be controlled in different stages by using different methods such as spraying of insecticides such as DDT, Baygon, etc. kills mosquitoes in their dwelling places and breeding sites. Elimination of breeding places. Mosquitoes lay their eggs in the stagnant water, so there should be no stagnant water in the houses or localities. Small ponds and puddles should be filled up. Spraying on stagnant water. If there is stagnant water, pour kerosene or petrol on the surface of water. It kills mosquito larvae. Use of mosquito repellents. A large number of mosquito repellents are available in the market and they repel mosquitoes and protect us from their bite. Biological control. Gambusia fish eats upon the mosquito larva. Gambusia fish should be added to ponds which cannot be filled up. Houseflies. Houseflies are the most common disease carriers which are found in all places such as houses, markets and particularly dirty places. They spread a large number of diseases such as cholera, typhoid, amoebiasis, ascariasis, etc. Flies deposit germs of these diseases and many others on the eatables and contaminate them. When these contaminated foodstuffs are taken by man, pathogens enter the body and cause diseases. Control of houseflies. A number of steps may be taken to control houseflies such as kitchens should be screened, eatables and drinking materials should be kept properly covered. Refuse and garbage should be properly disposed of. Garbage and refuse may be treated with insecticides. In villages, garbage may spread in the fields so that it dries up quickly. Insecticides should be spread at regular intervals in the houses. Electric wires may be smeared with boiled mixture of resin and castor oil. Flies that sit on these wires will die. Next, cockroaches. Cockroaches which are cosmopolitan in the distribution. We can find plenty of them in kitchens at night when the lights are off. In the daytime, they are found hidden in the manholes of sewers, cupboards, wardrobes, etc. They are omnivorous and eat all types of foodstuff. They are believed to spread diseases like cholera, diarrhea, dysentery, and typhoid. Control of cockroaches. Spraying insecticides such as DDT, BHC, etc. gives satisfactory results. Second, keeping the houses clean. Then rats. Rats are serious domestic pests which besides eating grains also cause damage to household materials like clothes, books, etc. and also spread diseases like plague, typhus fever, etc. The germs of plague infect the rat fleas, which are ectoparasites on rats. Ectoparasites are the parasites which live on the outside of the body of the host organism. When the rat dies, rat fleas may attack man and transmit the plague. Control of rats. Chemicals containing zinc phosphate are used as rat killers or rat foe. Using traps and disposing of or killing rats. Third, cereals and other food stuffs should be stored in rat-proof storing pots with a lid.